business owners think accounting is about taxes and recording, but that's not true. Accounting is about accountability. If you don't know how much you are making, if you don't know who owes you, if you don't know how much is in your stock or the current worth of your stock, then you are not managing your business, you are guessing. That is why at Solafide, we believe accountability is at the forefront of every business. And so we bring to you a system that gives you visibility into your sales, into your expenses, into customers, into your employees, everything at one platform. Solafide helps you to manage all of your business without changing data or manage multiple systems. For you to manage your business, visit us at solafideonline.com. Manage your business and stop guessing.